Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the Dreame L50 Ultra. If you're interested in the L50, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, on our station right here, we have this beautiful gold cover. So grab it from both sides and just pull it out and towards you if you're facing it. So towards the vacuum, just pull it out. That's it. It just seals right in there nicely. And that reveals our cleaning solution tank and, you guessed it, our vacuum bag. So we can grab the vacuum bag and just pull it out. You'll notice too when you pull it out, we have a cover here. This cover will help seal the vacuum bag contents, so when you're handling it, you're not just, emptying it all around your house or releasing dust and stuff back into the air. But very simple, discard your old full vacuum bag, take your new vacuum bag, you just line it up right here and it just slots down and in. So that's it. It just lines up, slots in, just press it. Same with that cover too, and that's it. So new vacuum bag in, easy to pull out, remove. Very easy to add it back in as well. And you're all ready to go for weeks and weeks to come.